Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to remove the black screen if you have entasked the Windows Explorer. So if you have accidentally entasked the Windows Explorer and you got the black screen and you accidentally close the task manager as well. Now you just need to press in keyboard Control Shift plus Escape key together and it will be opens up a task manager. In task manager you just need to select run new task and in here you need to type explorer explorer dot exe. After typing it, check mark this option guys, create this task with administrative privileges and then select OK, and your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.